Oh yeah. So we're drifting on Wednesday. Today is Monday. The S15 is ready, almost. I've just put 2 new tyres on the back. And I'm going to put 2 more onto these. These are pretty much 3/4 worn. Going to chuck them new boys on very soon. Technical department. But all being well, the S15 is ready. But I've got a spare half an hour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the slave cylinder. And I'm not going to do the master cylinder. So I'm going to do the slave cylinder first of all. Because I want to take the driver's seat out to get under the dash to the master. It only looks like 2 bolts. So I will crack this nipple off here and then undo them 2, they look to be 12, maybe 14, and the brake line looks to be maybe a 10. I'm going to pop that off, and then once I've done that I need to replace this baby. But clutch pedal, I've got to undo the clips and maybe the bolts on the clutch pedal. I don't know how much that pain is, let's be honest. I'm not exactly the smallest of people, so sliding under that dash is going to be a bit awkward. But to make it easy for myself, I'm going to take the driver's seat out and I'm going to lay my ass down and get it done. Get yourself something to catch the brake fluid. So I'm going to undo the bleed nipple first. No, I'm not. I'm going to undo the copper line first, which is a 10mm. A little bit time consuming, but we don't want to snap it. And I put a pot down there to catch all my fluids. As you can see, it's starting to come out now.
Seems pretty fucking sturdy though. Feels actually quite nice, man. It feels better than the other one.
That's completely loose now. So then what I'm going to do, I'm going to probably jack the car up and crack these 2 off. I'm going to do it from underneath, maybe. No, I'm going to do it from the top. See what size it is first. Sleepy's got some tat. I'll show you in a bit. So the 2 bolts are 12. 12 mil. Crack them off. I think most of the fluid is out anyway, because I've been chasing this pressure problem for a week or so since buying the car. 2 12s, get them off. It's a fat cunt, it's put on 10 stone. 2 stone, 10 stone. So I take the 2 12s out, as you can see there. Just pop this sucker out and fuck it in the bin. Here's a new one. Nice. Just going to reverse it. I'll build it first. Put that copper pipe in there, slot that into the, and we'll be good. Just do it all nice and finger tight, and then you go back in I had to put you down because you're getting in my way. I'm sorry. But what I did was I put this in first, screwed it in a quarter of the way. Then I lined them two in, screwed them in by hand. And then I just nipped everything up with a 10mm spanner, 12mm socket. There's no fluid. Nice. So I've still got the master yet to do. Oh, I think you've got liquid juice on your face. Let's clean you off. Sorry about that. A little bit of squirtage. But yeah, I need to do the master cylinder, but I'm not going to do that till the car's back on the floor. Today I shouldn't even be working on a Civic, I'm not going to lie, I should be getting the car ready for a drift day. Drifting! 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 It's your boy! Come with the goodies! So what's this then, mate? How many horsepowers?
This gives you extra handling capabilities, this doesn't it?
So basically it's a DC2 now.
Aye? Aye?
It's lovely noise. But yeah, I'm going to get some WD-40, polish that, and I'm going to paint them. Not yet. Not yet. Calm down boys, calm down.
Where's the www?
Dub D's. So, Cuss cannot leave himself.
Leave himself. Cuss cannot leave things alone.
We're here trying to do big important stuff like rear quarters and all sorts. And then he comes along and wants to clean the injector rail.
Oh shit, you just this one.
You know what I mean? He could have got a 14 out, an extension, and a bit of brake line and done my clutch for me, but now he wants to clean the aluminium injector rail. Is it aluminium? Or aluminum?
Aluminium.
So what, you using any special product on there, mate?
Yeah. Dub day, photo.
Oh. We'll tune in and see how nice it looks, shall we?
Double D's for 10.
Just a quick one, because this is gold. Everyone needs to see this. Like, I can't even explain what the fuck I'm looking at.